Hi, Susie here, and I'm very glad that you can join me again on my channel. In this video, I'll talk about simple and natural dog home cough remedies you can go for when your puppy or adult dog is going through coughing issues. And if you watch this video until the end, I'm also going to let you in on a completely natural and high quality product that's designed to make a dog with a cough feel better. If it's your first time on my channel, please don't forget to click on subscribe so you can easily check out all of my videos that are focused on keeping pets healthy and happy using natural means. Make sure you also click on the bell icon so you will be immediately notified whenever I have a new video up. I'm very excited to hear your ideas about dog home cough remedies and our pets' health in general as well. Please feel free to leave a comment in the comments section to join the conversation. As a homeopath, I'm dedicated to share with you the benefits of natural products to help your animal family members be more resilient against disease. I and the rest of my team at HomeoAnimal are also committed to providing only completely natural and high-quality products to help boost your pet's overall immune system health so he won't be an easy target for illnesses. I'm glad to share that HomeoAnimal has already helped thousands of dog parents all over the world, and I'd just like to remind you we are always here for you and your beloved canine companion. Let's start things off by determining some of the possible reasons why your puppy or adult dog is coughing. Unlike what a lot of people mistakenly believe, it's not automatically a sign of illness when your puppy or dog is coughing. It is likely that he is just clearing his throat. It's also possible that your dog is simply experiencing a little itch inside his mouth and airways caused by exposure to dust and similar allergens. It's even possible that there's just a bit of food stuck in his teeth and he's just trying to make the whole thing budge. However, it's crucial to keep in mind that it's an entirely different story when the cough becomes persistent and is accompanied by things like wheezing, nasal discharge, fever, lethargy, and similar wellness issues. These are symptoms of impending disease and could become serious problems sooner or later if ignored or not given the proper attention. But if your dog is only having a bout of cough that isn't accompanied with the symptoms I've just told you about, then chances are he simply needs some natural dog cough remedies to make him feel better. This type of cough is only indicated by your dog constantly pawing at his nose or mouth, sneezing, retching, as well as an increased water intake. If you notice these symptoms, then it's time you have your natural dog cough remedies ready. Now that we've got that covered, let's move on to when you should treat your coughing dog. To put it simply, the right time to provide natural treatment to a dog with a cough is as soon as possible. The moment you observe that the cough is becoming constant and is already affecting your dog's daily routine, then it's time to give your canine family member a home remedy to make it go away. While I'm not meaning to scare you, persistent coughing can potentially result in more serious health issues if allowed to linger or if not given the right attention. Besides possibly being too harsh on your puppy's still developing system or an adult dog's aging body, conventional medicines also require cumbersome attention with respect to their doses, as well as the proper times you should administer them. This is the biggest reason why you should go for a natural home remedy when treating a dog's cough. Apart from being really easy to prepare and give to your canine friend, you won't be also worrying about serious side effects while you're at it. Sure, this may sound surprising, but it's highly likely that you've already got the things you need to treat your coughing dog at home. And the best part is these natural remedies for dog coughs can be found right in your kitchen pantry. I'll fill you in on this one in a bit, so make sure you keep on watching. However, I'd just like to point out that the information that I will share about other home treatments are based on what we've gathered from our online research. We're getting close to the natural solution that I was telling you about earlier. But before we jump into that, let me just quickly answer a question many dog parents are asking me lately. Now here's the question. Is there a different reason when a puppy coughs compared to an adult dog? At its simplest, there is in fact a different reason when a puppy coughs compared to an adult dog. You see, puppies still have a developing respiratory system, and anything that overwhelms their sense of taste and smell can make them cough. Additionally, it's not uncommon to see young dogs sneezing after smelling fragrant flowers or when their nose gets tickled. Since adult dogs already have developed respiratory systems, they won't be usually prone to these situations anymore. And now here are the home remedies that will help treat your coughing dog I told you about earlier. The first natural remedy that you can go for when treating dog coughs is honey. Honey can be either given pure to your puppy or adult dog or diluted with a bit of water. Depending on your canine's friend's size, the recommended amount of honey that should be given is half a teaspoon for puppies and small dogs and a whole teaspoon for medium to large breeds. You can give the recommended amount of pure honey to your dog up to 4 times per day. Another way to do this is by directly mixing in the honey in your pet's water dish. The second natural remedy that you should have in your checklist is coconut oil. Coconut oil should be given pure to your puppy or dog because diluting it with water makes the natural oil separate. The recommended amount of coconut oil that should be given to your canine companion per day is a full teaspoon every 10 pounds of his body weight. So for example, if your dog weighs more or less 10 pounds, then the recommended amount of coconut oil that should be given is only a teaspoon in a single day. Speaking of natural products that are beneficial to a coughing dog, I would just like to present our very own cough relief product. Besides being made with completely natural and high quality ingredients gathered straight from nature's medicine cabinet, our cough relief product is also specifically designed to support your pet's breathing capacity and health. Moreover, this product is made with a gentle, holistic approach that is safe even for puppies. You definitely won't have to worry about serious side effects that can be triggered by chemical ingredients when you go for this one. You can find out more about our cough product by either clicking the link that will appear on screen right now or check this video's description box. So there you have it. I've just presented the natural dog home cough remedies you should include in your checklist whenever your canine family member is going through this health issue. I hope this information will be very helpful to you and your dog. Before I wrap things up, I'd just like you to check out our free health advisor guidance so you can provide an even better protection for your dog against diseases. Besides getting tips and recommendations from our natural health advisors on how to keep your pet happy and healthy, you will help provide your animal with the quality of life he truly deserves. You can learn more about our free health advisor guidance by either clicking on the link that will appear on the screen right now or check this video's description box. I would just like to thank you again for joining me in this video. If you still haven't done so, make sure you click the subscribe button to easily get access to all my content. Clicking on that little bell right there will also give you a heads up whenever I post a new video. Until then, and keep safe.